my god. Yes, it's raining, you dumbass. That's so mean to Madison. She doesn't deserve my anger. It's not my fault, she's dumb. You guys basically should have, instead of fucking, you guys should have just left. Bang my microphone. Why are the po-po here, huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dumbass. I would've saw the cop cars and would've ran back up to her.
They're looking for Ethan. It looks like a raid.
What's up?
Come on, what was the damn number?
207.
Come on, come on. Pick up the phone.
Hello?
The cops. They're in the motel. You've got to get out of here.
Dun 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 dun. Oh fuck. Dumbass. Come on, bitch out of
He's
water.
getting away!
Oh yeah.
He's still on the move! Get him! He's making a run for it! He's on the balcony!
Oh, hey dude. Yeah, oblivious. Fuck. I need to get better with my... Oh no. Ethan, you're being dumb again. Come on, you dumb fuck. You only lost the pinky.
Don't move!
Pinkies aren't that important. That was probably a bad idea, but it saves him from... Why did you take the most convoluted way of getting away from them? Oh boy.
Please! Stop!
Oh, ow! Come on! Why is there so many people here? Jump, Ethan.
It's over. On your knees. Hands behind your head. Easy, pal. Nowhere to go.
You're not surrounded.
Surrounded.
You're not. Bye!
Holy fuck!
Come on. We gotta save John. Oh, man. Let's go! Lots of. Sorry, kid. Knock on now, dipshit. He's like, I give up. I'm done with life. Well, because that cop is a dipshit and he'd never believe a word Ethan said, so if it was Jade in here instead, then maybe. Escape Master, no, I barely got out of that.
Lauren?
I'm sorry, Scott.
You should have listened to me, Mr. Shelby.
Oh shit.
I told you to drop the investigation.
Your son is a serial killer. How many people does he have to kill before you turn him in?
Gordy has his faults, but he's still my son. You have no children, Mr. Shelby. You can't possibly understand. You leave me no choice. Your investigation is over. For good.
No, let's didn't shoot him. Oh.
Lauren! Shit!
The ropes aren't even tied that tight. Oh fuck. Oh come on, they're not even tied that tight. You better fucking hurry, mister.
Goddamn fool. Nothing's gonna work if I don't switch on that ignition.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit!
Oh, you're a dumbass. Now get Lauren out. You maybe should have like got her out of there first, untied her before you opened it. What about Lauren? You're just saying poos.
Bastard. I'm gonna kill you.
Well, that was dumb. Oh, Scott's angry face. His station wagon. Oh. The scary station wagon. Scott, you're so dumb. Or maybe you should have did what you were told. Nice. Nice. Oops. Got business. Nice. The visor just dropping. Put the bodies hit the floor. Put the bodies hit the floor. he's out of bullets by now. He's definitely out of bullets. At most, it's like 10.
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
Oh, jeez. You're a fucking coward!
Fucking asshole.
Please, don't.
Shut the fuck up.
Bastard! Lauren is dead! You fucking killed her!
Stop! Stop! I beg you!
You didn't stop. Why should I stop?
Your idiot son killed all those kids, didn't he? He's the origami killer.
No,
I don't think he
no,
is.
he's innocent! He's not a killer! Not a killer!
But yeah. But still, still, like, you didn't have to.
You're a fucking liar. Now tell me the truth.
No! No, please! Don't hurt me!
Last chance.
I don't know! I swear! I don't know
Oh
anything!
god. You talk a lot of tough. But really, you're just a fucking coward.
Stop! Stop! I beg you.
Oh, I'm not stopping.
I'll tell you everything.
Then start talking.
Gordy always wanted his fun, you know. He wanted to be like the origami killer.
Why?
He kidnapped that kid. He held him under the water for a little too long. It was an accident. An unfortunate accident. He just wanted to play.
Scott's face.
He told me everything. He was crying. He was so sorry for what had happened.
So?
Whatever he did. Gordy is my son.
So? That doesn't give him the right to get away with it. Just
No
shoot
one will
the
miss him.
best.
What?
That boy, Gordy killed. No one will miss him. Just street trash, like so many others. Ugh.
You disgusting pile of shit.
Yeah.
What about John Shepard? Why did you put flowers on his grave?
I own the construction site where he died. I never forgot. I've been putting flowers on his grave for 30 years.
John had a twin brother. What happened to him?
I don't know. He was adopted, I think. His mother should know. Her name is Anne. Anne Shepard.
Oh, Just one last punch to
That
the
girl,
face.
Lauren. She was just a whore.
She was not just a
Forget her in
whore.
no time. Come and work for me, Shelby. I'll pay you well. You'll be able to have all the girls you want.
It wasn't the point.
Never say her name again. You hear me? Never.
It wasn't the point. They weren't banging.
My heart! My heart!
Oh god. Just let him die.
Quickly! I need my pills. In that drawer. There.
No. I don't really wanna. Can I just leave and be like, bye? I just wanna leave.
Shelby! Come back! I fucking order you!
I don't work for
Come
you.
back!
That guy's frozen. I don't fucking work for you. Sorry. I don't give a fuck. Still. You deserve more than just having a heart attack. Well, where's Gordy? Where's your son? Why are we back here with Madison? Like, why are you at an emergency?
Hello, I'm looking for Anne Shepard's room.
Please sign the visitor's book.
Okay.
Are you a member of the family?
Yeah, you could say that.
Oh, she'll be pleased to have a visitor.
Awesome.
No one ever comes to see her.
Yeah,
With the
because
Alzheimer's, she has trouble remembering things, but it'll still please her. You know.
just she
It's
can,
room 19 at the end
she
of the
can think
corridor.
she can.
Thank
I
you.
can be whoever she wants me to be. Ba-ba, ba-ba. Oh, it's not automatic? She's got Alzheimer's, so that's fun. La 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 la. Are those orchids? I know nothing about flowers. Nothing. Hey, you checking out my butt. I saw it. Oh, I went too far. Where are we going? What's over here? I went too far. It's hiding. Oh, that's 20. Hello? Anybody home? No? Okay, good.
Hello, Mrs. Shepard.
Is it time for my pills already?
No. I don't know.
No, Mrs. Shepard,
They're never on time with my pills. I don't know what they do here.
Nothing.
The other hospital, they were always on time. But here,
My name is Madison Page. I'm a journalist. I'd like to ask you some questions about your son.
I don't like this hospital. The food isn't very good, you know.
Okay. It's hospital. Hospitals don't have a lot of good food.
Do you remember John?
My Johnny. He is a good little boy, you know.
Okay.
You had a son named John, and John had a twin brother.
Do you have my pills? It's time for my pills.
I'm not a nurse. Do I look like a nurse?
Your other son, Mrs. Shepard, John's twin brother. What was his name?
What other son? I have no other son. I never had any children.
What? What are you talking about?
Try to remember, Mrs. Shepard. John's twin brother was placed with a foster family after the accident. What was the name of the foster family?
I asked them for a television, you know. They said I didn't have enough money. It's a pity. I'm fond of television.
I know what happened at Carnaby Square. Do you remember?
Carnaby Square. I think I used to live there a long time ago.
You sure did.
We didn't have much money at the time, you know. We had to make do with very little.
I think your son is in trouble, Mrs. Shepard. He's done some terrible things. I need to find him. Do you understand?
Terrible things you're telling me. He never came to see me, can you believe it? In 10 years, never.
Well,
No
someone
one
was here.
forgets their mother, do they?
Some people do.
Mrs. Shepard, your son may be linked to a series of murders. Perhaps you have some information that could help the investigation.
Are you a new nurse? Where are my pills?
I'm not a nurse. That was no help at all.
Does Mrs. Shepard ever talk about her past?
It's not all very clear to her now. Sometimes she'll remember the oddest things, though. I suppose if she sees something that reminds her of her past.
Does she get many visitors?
She's been here for 10 years, and you're the first.
Oh, wow.
I'm looking for her other son. He was adopted. I mean, he's probably changed his name. Is there any official documentation on Mrs. Shepherd?
No, there's nothing really. Nothing about her family. I guess if her son was adopted, then she's the only one who could tell you about that. Sometimes, if you show her things, it seems to trigger a memory from her past. You might get it to remember.
Thanks for the advice.
The flowers. Where were the orchids? Yeah. Because the origami killer smells like orchids. Now you looking at the booty.
What a lovely orchid. My sons loved orchids. We used to grow them in the back. When John died, I laid orchids on his grave.
No, turn around again.
Are these your children, Mrs. Shepherd? John and his brother? Is that them?
They're good little boys. Their father never looked after them. Always drinking. They didn't have an easy life, you know.
We want to know the name. What about... I saw these earlier. Come on.
Did you make these origami figures?
My little paper animals. They played with them for hours. I showed my boys how to make them, you know.
Yes, your boys, Mrs. Shepherd. John and... what was your other son's name again?
My other son? I only had one son. My little Johnny.
Come on. The crane. The hummingbird. The dog. The frog. Don't make me do it.
Oh, you know how to do these little dogs, too. My children loved origami. I taught them how to do it. John loved the little dogs. He always wanted to call them Max. Max, Max, Max? All dogs with the same name. I was wasting my time telling him they couldn't all have the same name. But he always wanted his paper dogs Max. It's funny, isn't it?
Well...
I cried when they told me. I'd already lost one of my children, and now they were taking away another one, you understand.
Uh-huh.
The foster family, Mrs. Shepherd. What was the name of the foster family that adopted John's brother?
They were really very nice people. I met them, you know. In the beginning, I used to go and see my little boy.
What was his name?
When I got sick and I couldn't go any longer.
Name.
Perhaps he thought I'd forgotten him. He must have thought I didn't love him anymore.
His name, Mrs. Shepherd. What was his name?
But I loved him.
You're not
If you
gonna get
only
it.
knew how much I missed him.
Oh,
Please, Anne. His name. What was his name?
make another origami figure.
Come closer.
What, bitch? Smack that bitch. What? I forget who the origami killer is. I don't even know who it is. Is it Ethan? No. I forget who it is. I really do. I don't even remember. Excuse me. Well, they don't have the same eye color anyway, so that's good. Ooh. This is exciting. Oop. Fuck off.